In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can increase or decrease indent in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So you just need to open your document first. Okay, so I have this one from here. Now we are going to indent the first paragraph or the first line. So you just need to simply select the line first or the paragraph. Okay, so in order to increase the indent of the first paragraph, we need to press Control M on keyboard. Again, it's Control key plus M key together on keyboard. Okay, as you can see, it's increasing. The indent is increasing. And if you want to decrease the indent, then we just need to simply press Control, Shift, and M key together. Again, it's Control, Shift, and M key together. And let's see. Okay, and that's it. Okay, that's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.